here's going to be a simplified version of your basics. To create a new assignment, you call create document. Name it whatever you want. Come over here to front, you click the eyeball on right and front, leaving the top. Next you click sketch and you have to choose the top plane, leaving this sketch page right here. Depending on what you want to draw, you click your shape and you can just draw whatever you want. It needs to be a closed shape like that. In order to turn that into 3D, you have to click this button, and then next to sketch it says extrude. Click your shape. Depending on how tall you want it, you can change that to whatever you want. Okay. And then hit OK. And now you have a random shape. If you want to draw on that shape or cut more out, you'd click sketch, choose whichever face you want to draw on, and then just draw whatever you want to draw. Finish it, extrude, click it. Now you can either go out like it is or in that way. Okay. And boom. It automatically saves, so all you have to do is just go to OnShape, and then it'll be right there. It takes some time to load, okay, so you can always just double click it and make sure that's the correct one. And that is a very basic introduction to OnShape.